Trading isn't about predicting candles, it's about understanding behavior, liquidity, and probability. Okay, straight to the point, here's our time machine, the foundation of the rate of exchange, and the indicator whose key element is the central line right here. So this is what shows us the start of the trend. Look for yourself, and the moment the indicator slips downward, it coincided exactly with the market's decline. That's here. Okay, so here you can see it broke upward and the price followed, then another dip here, and again the market fell here. Personally, I think this is a brilliant tool for tracing. Now let's add the MACD to the mix. We'll use it to filter race signals. So here's how it works. Rate of change crosses the central line downward, while MACD is also in the red and falling. When these things align, it's the perfect trade setup that you need. So now here's where you see why we need a filter. So check this out. Not the best entry here, even though the rate of change signals a buy. I'd skip this one because MACD disagrees with it. Okay, so two indicators now confirming each other. We skip the trade. That's how this system works, and I'll reveal the exact settings soon. Just all you need to do for me is pay attention to everything I say. So now I'll find the first solid entry point and we will get to work. Let's go. Okay, so perfect. I'm already in the market, friends. Let's justify this. Rate of change has broken downwards. It's time to drop. So at the same time, MACD is red and its bars are shrinking. That's here. Okay, so the signals have aligned and now we are taking this trade. As you can see, there's virtually no doubt about this trade success. We are operating within the clear downtrend, as here. You can see a false breakout has just occurred, and signals like this are always strong arguments for entering the market. So now we calmly monitor the price action and we wait for expiration. Personally, I love rate of change for its versatility. You can trade both, trending moves and reversals in tight ranges using this. It's pretty amazing. So I'm sure we'll see even more examples later. But for now, my first profitable trade is in the books, and let's go, folks. Okay, so we're entering long immediately. I see a strong setup in the indicators. First, rate of change has already broken upwards. So here we have it. So price has started recovering even earlier, and MACD is in the green zone. So another perfect alignment here. So we can confidently expect profits. Now here's a quick hack to improve signal accuracy. Just switch to a higher time frame. Okay, yeah. The same confirmation appears in a 5-minute chart as it does for this. So indicators are giving bullish signals, price should rise, and we see the same confirmation on a larger scale. Remember, the bigger the candle time frame is, the more reliable the indicator readings and technical analysis are. So we are trading on the 1-minute chart, but nothing stops us from checking the bigger picture every once in a while. So here we go. Second trade is closed. We're switching currency pairs and we continue. So another interesting entry opportunity here. Let me break down the analysis. As always, first check the rate of change, of course, which has now dipped downward. Notice how it mirrors price action. But right now we are focused specifically on the central line here. MACD looks good too. The indicator isn't opposing a downside move when everything aligns in our favor. There's no reason to hesitate here. By the way, this strategy works especially well for beginners learning systematic trading. This is very good for you if you're a novice at this, so pay close attention. So many would agree that the following signals can sometimes be incredibly difficult. It takes a certain level of discipline and willingness to take risks for you to get this to pay off for you. So given the simplicity and timeliness of the signals, rate of change helps you develop those skills. So let's go. So okay, everything is working out again. So guys, we're switching the chart and we're going to be continuing. Okay, so guys, we're trading a very interesting short setup now. Right away, we note that the indicators are once again giving us the signals we need. So let's go from there. So MACD confirms rate of change and there's a clear bounce downwards from key levels. The assets recovered near its boundary but couldn't break through. So we are entering a short based on the first signal from the indicators and it's aiming right here. So it's time to verify the accuracy of our analysis. So let's see what we have. So I think you've already noticed that I always try to confirm indicators using technical analysis, working with levers and trends, reversals, and also breakouts. So this is definitely not an extra step in your practice, guys. This is more arguments you find in favor of a trade. The higher the potential quality of your positions, that's how it works. So practice this. Meanwhile, I'm locking in another profit, guys, and already planning to find the next trade. Let's go. Oh yes, so here's our chance, guys. I'm expecting a breakout upward from the channel, at the very least, because MACD has been in the green zone for a while now. So the rate of change also predicts growth, and we are already right against this level. So plus there's a breakout of the descending trend line here. This can be considered as a fully verified breakout. I wouldn't forgive myself for missing this trade. And with experience, I can already spot these setups without drawing extra lines and doing any deep or very serious analysis on it. I scan quotes almost automatically, friends. It's all about experience, which comes with strategy, which comes from practice. This strategy is designed for beginners, for you, a novice that is just coming through. But if you're still afraid to trade on your own, you can get your FX experience from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below, where I post free signals and tips that will help you become a better trader and better your life for yourself. So tap in, click, send a message to me. I'll be there. So you can go there, copy my trades, ask a question via DM, and I'll be happy to explain everything to you in detail. No lies, just truth. So we've closed on our profitable trade now, and I'm thinking of opening one right here. So let this be the final for our session. So by the way, if you're struggling with practice and understanding this market, that's not a problem either. My team has developed a powerful trading bot that it's based on neural network analysis. It's pretty amazing what this bot can do. It has 72% accuracy. So this bot is seriously smart. So if you want to fully automate your trading, all you need to do is send me a message on Telegram, grab our software while it's still free. It's free now, guys. Don't miss the opportunity. Okay, so let's go. You see here, you can just check my AI is there, good assistance, for beginners, for novices. You know how to do it. But me, I'm a pro and I know how to analyze this market on my own, and I'm going to be showing it to you guys now. So if you're just getting into trading, rate of change is a solid choice for your first trading experience. And here's proof: over $1,500 in pure profits. Now, as I have promised, let's go over the indicator settings. Okay, let's get started by adding the indicators. They are both in the far left columns. You can expand their window for your convenience. So for rate of change, we leave the period untouched. We just make it more visible. Choose the color line to the thickness of your liking, and it works. So now let's configure our filter. So repeat after me. Fast period is 11 and slow period is 25. Better take a screenshot now so you don't lose these settings. Also, now we're going to remove all lines. We only need histogram bars, and that's it. So now if you can replicate my setup anytime you want.
That's it for today's breakdown. If you want to level up your trading game, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's grow together.